Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Exp25 Excel chapter 3 mid-level 2 grades. Basically this is the third chapter of Excel section of this Pearson course. In this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please reach me out through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So at start of the instruction, we are given project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to read this project description well so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Once you will go through this project description, this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. So please read this project description well and get an idea about the assignment. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project, or steps to perform to complete this assignment. And we have a total of 21 steps to get this assignment done. So in this video, I am not only going to solve the question, but I am going to make you learn the Excel as well. So watch this complete video, follow me step by step, then you will be able to solve this assignment and you will be able to learn the Excel as well. So now let's start doing the steps, starting from step number 1. Step number 1 of the assignment is saying, start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel chapter 3 mid-level 2 grades. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. So I have already downloaded this Excel workbook. This is the Excel workbook that we're gonna use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Excel workbook, and we gonna make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading of Excel workbook. So we are done with step number 1. So now let's move to step number 2. Step number 2 of the assignment is saying, a pie chart is effective way to visually illustrate the percentage of the class that earned A, B, C and D grades. Use the Insert tab to create a pie chart from the final grade distribution data located below the student data in the range F35 up to G39, and move the pie chart to its own sheet named distribution. So in this step we are supposed to create a pie chart, and for this pie chart we are given a range that is F35 up to G39. So we will go to the Excel workbook and we will select this range that is F35 up to G39. F35 up to G39. So this is the range that we are supposed to select. So after selecting this range, click on the Insert tab. So here we can see the pie chart. So we will select the first option, that is pie. Okay, so we have inserted a pie chart. Now we are supposed to move this pie chart to a new sheet named distribution. So now select this pie chart, click on chart design and click move chart. So there are two options. So we will select the first option, new sheet, and here we will type the sheet name, that is distribution. Okay, so after typing the name distribution, click OK. So we have moved the pie chart to its own sheet, that name is distribution. Okay, and that is all about step number 2. So we are done with second step of the assignment as well. Now we gonna move to next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 of the assignment is saying, You should enter a chart title to describe the purpose of the chart. You will customize the pie chart to focus on particular slices. So in step number 3, we are supposed to make some modification to pie chart that we have just inserted. Okay, so there are some points to do this modification. So I will do step by step. So part A is saying apply style 1 chart style. Apply style 1 chart style. So select this one and from here select style 1 chart style. Okay, this one. Then it is saying enter accounting 2010 fall 2027. So we are supposed to enter this as the chart title. So there are two ways. Either we can copy this and paste into the chart title. Other ways we can type the chart title there. So I will simply copy the chart title from here. Then just select the chart title. After selecting the chart title, click in formula bar. So 1 second. Select chart title, click in formula bar and paste the chart title here. After pasting the chart title, just press enter. So now you can see that we have given a title to this pie chart. Okay. Now let's move to next part, that is saying explore the A grade slice by 7%. So now you can see A grade slice by 7%. This is A grade slice, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is F. So we will select this A grade slice. After selecting this, right click on that and click on format data point. Okay. So here we have an option that is point explosion. We are supposed to explode this slice by 7%. So we will remove 0 and type 7 and press enter. So now you can see the slice A of this pie chart has been exploded by the 7%. So close this format data point dialog box. Okay. Now it is saying change the F grade slice to dark red. So F grade slice is here. Select this one, right click on this and click format data point. Okay. Then click the first option from these three, that is fill option. Okay. Click arrow and click solid fill. And we are supposed to select dark red. This is dark red and we are supposed to apply dark red to this F grade slice. Okay. And then last one is saying remove the legend. Okay. Remove the legend. So again we will close this box and go to this plus sign, that is chart element, and uncheck the box for the legend. So we have removed the chart legend. So that is all about step number 3 of this assignment. So we are done with third step of this assignment. So now let's move to next step, that is step number 4. So step number 4 of the assignment is saying a best practice is to add all text to the accessibility compliance. Add all text, and the text is most student earned B and C grade including the period. So this is the text, okay, that we are supposed to add as alt text. So we can either copy this text from here and paste into the alt text box, or we can type this text into the alt text box. So I will simply copy this text from here including the period. Okay. Then simply go to workbook. Okay, and right click on it, and here you can see an option that is saying view all text. So now we are supposed to paste all text here, or you can simply type the all text here. So I am just copying from the instruction and I am pasting here. Okay, after pasting this all text, just click this save button. Okay, and the workbook will be saved. Now simply after saving this, just close this all text box. Okay, that is all about step number 4, where we were supposed to add the all text to the pie chart. Okay, we are done with step number 4 as well. Now let's do step number 5. Step number 5 of the assignment is saying you want to add data labels to indicate the category and percentage of the class that earned each letter grade. Add data labels in the inside and position. Select the data label option to display percentage and the category name. Remove the values data label. So in step number 5, we are supposed to add the data labels to this pie chart, and the position for the data label should be inside and position, and we are supposed to include category name and the percentage in the data labels, and we are supposed to remove the values from the data labels. Okay, so now again go to the chart element. Here you can see the option for the data label. Click this arrow and click more options. Okay, now from here select category and select percentage and remove the values. Okay, now position should be inside and. Okay, so we have added data labels to this pie chart, which includes category name and the percentage, and we remove the values from here, and then we change the location or position for the data labels to inside and. Okay, and that is all about step number 5. So we are done with 5th step, and now we gonna do next step of the assignment, that is step number 6. Step number 6 of the assignment is saying apply 18-point size and apply black text 1 font color to the data labels. So now we are supposed to change the font size to 18 point, and we are supposed to change the font color to black text 1. So select the data labels, then go to the home tab and change the font size to 18 points. Okay, then we are supposed to change the font color. So go to font color from here and apply black text 1. Okay, so now close this dialog box. So now we have changed the size of the data labels to 18 points, and the color for the data label is black text 1. So that is all about step number 6 of this assignment. So we have completed 6 steps. Now let's move to next step of the assignment, that is step number 7. So step number 7 of the assignment is saying you want to create a bar chart to depict grade for a sample of the student in the class. So now in this step we are supposed to create a bar chart. So for bar chart we are needed 2 ranges. So it is saying create a clustered bar chart using the ranges A5 up to D5 and A18 up to D23 in the grades worksheet. Move the bar chart to its own sheet named sample scores. So now in this step we are supposed to create a bar chart, and first we will select these 2 ranges A5 up to D5. So go to grades worksheet, select A5 up to D5. So we are supposed to select A5 up to D5. Now we are supposed to select the second range, that is A18 up to D23. So now press and hold the control button and select A18 up to D23. Okay, so now you can see that we have selected 2 ranges A5 up to D5 and A18 up to D23. Now click on the insert tab and go to charts, this option, and select clustered bar chart. So now we are supposed to insert a clustered bar chart. So we have inserted a clustered bar chart. Then it is saying we are supposed to move the bar chart to its own sheet. Their name is sample scores. So go to chart design. After selecting the chart, select the chart first. Go to chart design and click move chart. Okay. Now we will first select the first option, that is new sheet, and here we are supposed to type the name, that is sample scores. That is the name of the worksheet. Click OK. So we have moved the chart to its own worksheet whose name is sample scores. Okay. Now it is saying, okay, that is all about step number 7. So we are done with 7 steps. Okay. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 8. And step number 8 of the assignment is saying customize the bar chart with these specifications. So now in this step we are supposed to do some modification of the bar chart. Okay, so first it is saying apply style 5 chart style. So select this chart and from here select style 5. This is style 5. So after selecting the chart, just go to the chart design and select style 5. Okay, then it is saying legend on the right side in 11-point font size. So now you can see that we have legend at the bottom of this chart, but we are supposed to move this legend to the right. So just go to elements, chart elements here, click by clicking on the plus sign, then go to the legend and from here select the position for the legend, that should be right side. And now just go to the home tab and change the font size for the legend to 11 points. Okay, and click outside the chart, so that chart element option will be disappear. Okay, so we have moved the legend to the right of the chart. Okay, now next thing is light gradient accent to fill color for the plot area. Now we are supposed to apply light gradient accent to fill color to the plot area. Plot area is the area which has the chart. Okay, so this is outside the plot area. Okay, but this is the plot area. Select the plot area, right click on that and click format plot area. So now we are supposed to use the fill option, that is the gradient fill, and we will change the option to light gradient accent to. This is the fill option that we are supposed to use for the plot area, and close this format plot area dialog box. Okay, so that is all about step number 8. So we have completed 8 steps for this assignment. Now we gonna do next step, that is step number 9. And step number 9 of the assignment is saying the chart needs a descriptive title. Enter sample test scores for the chart title. So we will simply copy this text that is for the title. Copy this, go to workbook, just select the chart title, then go to formula bar, paste the title here and press enter. So now you can see that we have a chart title, that is sample test scores. Okay, so now in this case we have solved so 9 steps. So now let me do next step, that is step number 10. And step number 10 of the assignment is saying displaying the exact scores would help clarify the data in the chart. Add data labels in the outside and position for all data series. Format the final exam data series with dark blue fill color. So now we are supposed to apply the data labels in the outside and position. So just go to the chart element, go to data labels, and from here select outside and. So now you can see that we have data labels at outside and position for the all data series. Okay, just click this. Now format the final exam data series with dark blue fill color. So final exam data series is the green one, so select green one. So all green data series will be selected. Right click on it and click format data series. Then go to fill option, that is the first option, solid fill, and from here we are supposed to apply dark blue, this one. So we are supposed to change the fill color for the final exam to dark blue. So I have changed the fill color for the final exam data series to dark blue. So I have solved 10 steps for you. Okay, I have solved 10 steps for you. That is half of the assignment that I have solved for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another powerful solution. Thank you so much again.